Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've got some interesting insights to share. This phone might look similar to its predecessors, but trust me, it's got some noteworthy differences. So let's jump right in and discuss the pros and cons. The new display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a significant improvement. Some people were upset when Samsung decided to get rid of the curved edges on their premium phones. But for those who like using a stylus to write notes, the flat screen is actually better. The curved edges on previous Galaxy S Ultra phones made the space for using the S Pen narrower, but now with the flat screen, it feels less restricted when taking notes. This change might encourage me to use the S Pen more. The new screen also has other advantages. It has better anti-reflective technology on the Gorilla Armor glass, and it's much brighter. This means that even in bright sunlight during the winter, it's easy to see and read the screen. In fact, compared to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is already good for outdoor use, the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen is noticeably brighter. Samsung decided to use titanium for the phone's side rails. The titanium has a satin finish that provides a good grip while also having a shiny appearance that looks attractive. The matte finish on the Galaxy S24 Ultra might make it look less flashy compared to the glossy finish of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's aluminum body. However, the shiny surfaces tend to pick up fingerprints easily, whereas the S24 Ultra's matte finish has proven to be resistant to smudges and looks clean even after frequent handling by people I show the phone to. Specialists often conduct various tests on new top-model Galaxy phones, including intense drop tests. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, with its titanium frame and flat armor Gorilla Glass screen, is expected to resist scratches and falls well. However, actual drop tests yielded mixed results. The titanium frame resisted scratches effectively, but when dropped face down from waist height, the screen cracks slightly. Despite the cracks, the flat screen design seemed to offer better protection during falls. Surprisingly, the back of the phone remained undamaged throughout the test, but it only fell on its back once, making it hard to judge its overall durability. It's still advisable to use a phone case to prevent expensive repairs and maintain better resale value, regardless of the phone's durability in such tests. Jerry Rig Everything's upcoming rigorous tests will provide further insights into the Galaxy S24 Ultra's durability. Also, in this 1 week, we got some real-life battery numbers of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The results was shocking. There were 3 different battery tests conducted on various flagship phones. 1. In the first test by ZTechCare, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra outperformed its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, lasting almost 11 hours. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, despite having a smaller battery, managed 10 hours and 20 minutes. The Pixel 8 Pro came in last with 10 hours of battery life. All 3 phones showed improvements in battery life compared to older models. In the second test by TechDroider, the results were different. After gaming, video streaming, and other activities, the iPhone 15 Pro Max emerged as the winner with 10 hours and 48 minutes of battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra lasted 10 hours and 6 minutes but heated up the most. The Pixel 8 Pro was the first to run out of battery at 8 hours and 44 minutes. In the third test by Tom's Guide, the Galaxy S24 Ultra excelled, lasting 16 hours and 45 minutes while browsing on a 5G network. This was over 4 hours longer than its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, and almost 3 hours more than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which lasted 14 hours and 2 minutes. The Pixel 8 Pro lagged behind with 10 hours and 3 minutes of battery life. The new processor might be the reason for the huge difference in battery life between the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Qualcomm, the maker of these chips, claims that their Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 25% more efficient than the previous Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And now, looking at the test results, the improvements are incredibly impressive. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has one of the best battery life ever seen in a phone. Samsung has also added new artificial intelligence features in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, here are all of Samsung's new Galaxy artificial intelligence features. Live Translate and Interpreter. The Galaxy S24 series boasts the notable Live Translate feature, unveiled by Samsung a month prior. It utilizes artificial intelligence to provide real-time translation during phone calls, enhancing communication on the device. 2. Then we have Chat Assist. Samsung's keyboard includes Chat Assist, featuring chat translation for in-app message translation, writing style for altering text tone and style, and advanced spelling and grammar for enhanced spell check, all powered by the keyboard and processed on device. 3. Note Assist. The Samsung Notes app now includes Note Assist, which allows for interactive note modifications such as generating summaries or formatting notes for different use cases. 4. Transcript Assist. Samsung's voice recorder app features Transcript Assist, which transcribes recordings into text, identifies speakers, and offers translation or summarization options. Similar to Google's Recorder on Pixel, it lacks real-time transcription capabilities. 5. Generative Edit and Suggestions. Samsung introduces camera artificial intelligence features in the Galaxy series, including Generative Edit and the Gallery app for object manipulation in photos using Google's Imagen 2 technology, similar to Google Pixel's Magic Editor. Edit Suggestions offers automatic photo edit recommendations akin to Google Photos activated by the Info button. Additionally, artificial intelligence enhancements and hardware upgrades enhance nightography for improved night photography. 6. Circle to Search. Google's Circle to Search, launching on both Galaxy S24 and Pixel 8, is activated by a long press of the home button or gesture bar. It allows users to search for things using Lens in any app by simply circling the item of interest. The iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra are both high-end smartphones, but they use different types of storage technology. The iPhone uses NVMe storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses US 4.0 storage. In tests comparing their storage speed, the Galaxy S24 Ultra came out faster. In a test called Jazz Disk Bench, the Galaxy S24 Ultra could read data at a speed of 254746 megabytes per second, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max read data at 145042 megabytes per second. This means the Galaxy phone was about 75% faster in reading data. When it comes to writing data, the difference is not as big, but it's still significant. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could write data at 1440-225 megabytes per second, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max wrote at 1257.99 megabytes per second. In a test of random 4K transfer speed, the Galaxy S24 Ultra also performed better, with faster read and write speeds compared to the iPhone. Additionally, the UXS storage in Samsung's phone has lower latency, which means it can access data faster. In practical terms, this means that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would provide a smoother experience when using the phone, quicker app loading times, and faster file transfers. However, it's important to note that the iPhone 15 Pro Max still offers a fast and efficient experience for everyday use, even though it may not match the Galaxy's storage speeds. Deciding whether to buy the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra depends on your preferences. If you like Samsung's unique version of Android called One UI and are comfortable with its ecosystem, there are several appealing features for power users. However, Samsung has made some changes, like removing the microSD card slot and headphone jack, which may not sit well with everyone. If you prefer curved displays and artificial intelligence features aren't your top priority, the Galaxy S23 Ultra remains a high-end Android smartphone. It's important to mention that Samsung intends to introduce some of the artificial intelligence features from the S24 series to the S23 series, potentially enhancing the appeal of the S23 even further. Moreover, if you value long-term software support, the S24 Ultra provides an impressive 7 years of support. The phone offers an S Pen, making it even more enticing for certain Android enthusiasts. But considering its starting price of $1,300, it needs to be nearly perfect to compete with cheaper alternatives. Unfortunately, it falls short in some areas. The camera performance can be inconsistent, artificial intelligence features might not be fully polished, and the overall design and finish may not be as impressive as expected. In comparison to Google's Pixel 8 Pro, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might not stand out as much. While it will certainly satisfy many users, it may not be the ideal choice for everyone without a few reservations. As we all know, Galaxy S24 series is here. Pre-order Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, or the Galaxy S24 Ultra and get up to $750 instant trade-in credit now through March 30. Plus, enjoy $150 instant Samsung credit, including an exclusive additional $50. Click on View Product option in my video and purchase through my special links. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.